Okay, fun fact 107. And I'm just going to put it right out there. Fun fact 107 is about the golden rule. If you do not know what the golden rule is, which I'm finding that many of my students have never heard of the golden rule, many 20 somethings have never heard of the golden rule. I'm not sure where we stopped telling um, students the golden rule and showing them the golden rule as an example, like acting it out. But if you don't know the golden rule, here it is in a nutshell. Treat people the way you want to be treated. The formal of that was do unto others as you would have done unto you, but treat people the way you want to be treated. So no, if you hit somebody, that means you want to be hit back. That's what they're going to assume, that this is the type of behavior you want projected at you. So, and if you're kind, I'm hoping that you're expecting people to be kind back to you. But if you hit somebody, you better expect them to hit you back. Treat people the way you would want to be treated. And some people have told me, well, what if I'm kind to somebody and they're still mean to me? And I said, well, then maybe you should walk away from them and stop being kind to them and keep your distance. Because obviously they don't know the golden rule, or they don't care. And that's not somebody you want in your life. Another way we said it to my students was know when to talk and know when to listen. So knowing when to talk and knowing when to listen, that's part of it, part of the golden rule. But mostly the golden rule is treat people the way you want to be treated. And if you don't know that one, that's pretty bad. You should watch Shaman King, because he says if you hurt somebody, they will hurt you back. And then it becomes this endless cycle, as we see today, and we've seen in history, and we see all over and over again. When a nation hurts another nation, they hurt them back, and it just becomes this cycle. And the fingers start pointing. And nobody's really trying to solve the problem. They're just trying to hurt back. And they're not trying to help the situation or find a compromise, really. They're just continually hurting back. And that doesn't solve anything. So, listen to the Shaman King and follow the golden rule. Treat others the way you would want to be treated. And that is fun fact, my 2 cents, deep thoughts, whatever you want to call it. I believe that was 107. Yay! Ciao, Bellas.